happening. Oh, it's happening. It is happening. It's happening. But you've been preparing for this. I'm ready. 100%, first place to start is a new deck on top of the paving stones that are already out there. And then I need a shed. I need a tool shed for my outdoor tool. Move it or lose it! The lumber prices are down! Should probably build a tiny little deck to go around that so it matches the other deck that I just finished building. Since we're outdoors, outdoor furniture for the new deck to entertain people. Probably an outdoor kitchen as well. Hey, you going to get new lumber too? Out of the way! I'm trying to get some wood! Kitchen. Our kitchen is horrible. So, brand new kitchen, new cabinets, birch, then we're gonna do the doors, the drawers, might even redo the floors. None of that vinyl or laminate crap, we're gonna do hardwood. Milled by me. Front door, done. Need a new one. Gonna build a new one. Build myself a big beefy mantle. Take 4 2x4s and laminate them together to make a big old 4x8 because why not? Back outdoors, I'm kind of over the cyclone fence, so gonna build a new one. Definitely better than that, guys. Question is, what am I gonna build it out of? Cedar? Fir? Southern yellow pine? No. We're gonna go big or we're gonna go home. We're gonna do oak all the way around. Quarter sawn oak with walnut accents for the fence. The outdoor fence. Move it! The dogs need a new outdoor doghouse, for sure, even though they hate being outdoors because they're little spoiled brats, but I love them. It's time. I'm an adult. Time for a new bedroom set from the ground up. I'm gonna build a bed frame, I'm gonna build a dresser, I'm gonna build nightstands, and I'm gonna move to the bathroom that's the ensuite and build a new bathroom vanity, because why not? I should just build a new house. And the weather's getting warm, so it's time to travel. That means, gotta build a teardrop trailer. No. Square drop trailer. No. Build a tiny house to live in when I'm not traveling in my new square drop, tiny drop, teardrop trailer while I'm building the new house. Oh, I can see it. Oh, the brand new freshly milled lumber at Home Depot. It's so bright. Did you hear lumber prices are down? Yeah, I know. That's why I'm here. There she is in all her glory. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. What the
Dude, you have to wait.
$8 for a 2x4. I thought lumber prices were going down. They are, and they will, but what you're seeing in the news about how lumber prices are finally tanking, that all has to deal with futures, which are kind of like stocks. Well, they're actually futures, but they're like stocks. In essence, it's what people are paying for lumber in the future, next month, a little bit further down the road. The fact of the matter is, there's these distributors, these retailers, they all have huge lumber yards full of material that they paid for when lumber was at that crazy high price. They need to sell that off and burn through it, well, not literally burn through it, but get rid of it before they're gonna bring in that new stock and pass that savings on to you. So while lumber prices are going down, it'll be a little bit before you see those savings at your local big box store. What you won't have to wait very long for, though, is the next video coming out. So if you're not already a subscriber, I'd like to ask you to please consider hitting that subscribe button, maybe the bell button, maybe even the notification button, maybe even a like button. But really, just thank you for watching. And I'd like to say a special thanks to my patrons, which there are currently 2 of you, but it actually means a lot that there are, so thank you. And I'll catch you on the next one, so keep up the good work.